the year. This is great for Independence and the whole community. The parade is one of my favorite events that we have. 4,000 families, community members coming out. It's a wonderful atmosphere, and it's just great for the community, and our families and our kids so look forward to this. I can't say enough great things about the parade.
Parade is amazing! Independence School District, look at us shine! Oh, it's amazing!
This is our third year for the ISD Parade. It actually started out as a celebration of our 150th year as a school district, and our community liked it so much and we're so excited about the parade that we've just continued to do this, and now it's an annual event.
Oh, the school district's terrific. They always have something for the kids. People show up because we love the district.
It's fantastic. There's always a huge turnout of families, and that's why we're here, is to help kids and their families. So it's fantastic.